Hey guys, it's Mr. Stafford again. Just doing our check-in for the 6th and 7th of January. Wednesday is the 6th, Thursday is the 7th. You'll see down here, again, Wednesday is 4, 5, 6, Thursday 1, 2, 3. You're only checking in on the periods for that day. As we get through, as always, I'll start with the schedules. Where Wednesday is going to look like this. Remember, it's still early release, even though you guys aren't technically here. So Wednesday, the times are slightly adjusted, but not too much. I'll be sending out the videos, the team meetings. Make sure you check those team meetings. Make sure you're showing up so I can mark you present. And then Thursday, we're back to the normal regular schedule, as always. If you have questions, let me know. Updates. Continue to work on your vocab for Westward expansion. You have 10 words. You have 10 definitions. And then you need to find the 10 pictures that go with those vocab words that help you remember what the word means. On top of the meetings and the vocab, you're still doing your daily check-in. You're watching these videos, and then you need to find the word of the day. Type that into the quiz, which isn't a quiz, and make sure that you get that correct so that it will mark you as present as well. If you misspell it, don't worry about it. As long as it's close, I'll make sure that it worked. Also, guys, early in the year, make sure you're getting started on all of your work. If you have questions about any class, let me know. I can help you out. I can get you started, or I can talk to one of the teachers if you aren't comfortable doing that. You're not beginning the vocab. You're actually already in it. So I just forgot to change this slide. So you're already doing the vocab. If you're done with it, fantastic. You still need to do the check-ins, make sure it's turned in and all that good stuff. Again, it's just looking just like the ones from last semester. So make sure you're getting it done. Again, it's due on Friday the 8th. That's this Friday by midnight. If it's not in by midnight, it's late, and we're going to take some points off. Do not start the semester that way. Okay, start it off strong. Get it done. Get it turned in. Get work on your vocab. Remember to submit it when you're done. Needs to have the word definition picture. All that good stuff. All right, so we have a guest teacher this year. His name is Mr. Frensdorf. He's going to be here for about 16 weeks. He'll be taking over eventually. Right now, I just want him to introduce himself. So he's going to hop on here. He's going to tell you a little bit about himself, and then we'll close out with the word of the day. So make sure you hang out till the end so you get that. But for right now, here is Mr. Frensdorf.
How's it going, guys? My name is Mr. Frensdorf. You can call me Mr. F if that's easier for you. As Mr. Stafford explained, I will be with you guys for the next 16 weeks as I am in my student internship. I do go to the University of Nevada, Reno, and I'm in the teaching program, which is why I get to be with you guys. I'm also a history major, so I'm super excited to be in your social studies class because I love history of all types. Couple things about myself. I love nerdy stuff, so Star Wars, Lord of the Rings, video games, all that good stuff. Build computers and whatnot, so if you guys are into that, definitely ask me questions. And yeah, I'm just super excited to get after this semester, and I'll give it back to Mr. Stafford for the word of the day.
Fantastic. So we're excited to have him, guys, and we couldn't be happier. If you guys have questions, you can always ask me. When you guys get back to class, we'll get you guys his email, so you can email him as well if you ever have questions. But just know that we're both here to help, and throughout this process, it's going to be fun. Lastly, the word of the day is phone. So when you get onto your daily check-in, the word it's going to ask you for is phone right here, P-H-O-N-E. Make sure it's spelled as close to correct as possible, preferably correct, and we'll get you marked as present. As always, if you don't have any questions, feel free to just get to work on the vocab. If you do have questions, remember you can text my Google number, or you can email me, or you can just submit something on Teams, and I will see it, or Mr. Frensdorf will see it, and we'll start responding. I hope you guys have a great day. If you have any questions, again, just reach out. It can be about my class or about any other class. All right? Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you later, and go Knights.